Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I'm Namita Mane. In today's session, let us discuss some important MCQs on the topic Cost and Works Accounting Paper 2. So these MCQs will be helpful for the students who are preparing for the university examination. So without wasting time, let's start the session. Question 1 is cost center are created for dash. So the options are option A segregating cost into fixed and variable, option B control and fixing responsibility, option C making decision, and option D asserting profit. So the correct answer is option B control and fixing responsibility. Cost centers are created for control and fixing responsibility. So correct answer is option B. Next, question number 2. Variable cost change dash with change in output. So the options are option A proportionality, option B direct, option C inversely, or option D indirect. So correct answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Variable cost change proportionality with change in output. Next question. Basic objective of cost accounting is dash. Options are option A, option B, option C, option D. Tax compliance, B financial audit, C cost assessment, and option D profit analysis. So the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next question number 4. Process costing is suitable for. Process costing is suitable for. Options are hospital, option B oil refining firm, option C transport firm, option C bricklaying firm. Correct answer is option B. Process costing is suitable for oil refining firms. Next question number 5. Cost classification can be done in dash ways. So how the cost classification, in which way the cost classification can be done. So the options are 2 way, 3 ways, 4 ways, or several ways. So the correct answer is option D, several ways. Cost classification can be done in several ways. Question number 6. The cost which is to be incurred even when a business unit is closed is dash. Options are option A, option B, C, D. Correct answer is option D, shutdown cost. The cost which is to be incurred even when a business unit is closed is a shutdown cost. Question number 7. Direct expenses are also called as. Options are major expenses, chargeable expenses, option C overhead expenses, sundry expenses. The correct answer is option B, chargeable expenses. So direct expenses are also called as chargeable expenses. Next question. Indirect expenses are also called as. Options are as follows. Option A major expenses, option B chargeable expenses, option C overhead expenses, option D sundry expenses. The correct answer is option C, overhead expenses. So indirect expenses are also called as overhead expenses. Next question number 9. Indirect material used in production is classified as. Options are given below. Office overhead, selling overhead, C distribution overhead, or option D factory overhead. The correct answer is for question number 9 option D factory overhead. Indirect material used in production is classified as factory overhead. Next question, warehouse rent is a part of dash. So the options are prime cost, option B factory cost, option C distribution cost, or option D production cost. The correct answer is distribution cost, option C. Warehouse rent is a part of distribution cost. Question number 11. Dash costing is a type of job costing. Options are multiple, operating, unit, or batch. The correct answer is option D, batch. Batch costing is a type of job costing. Next question. The following is also known as overhead cost or on cost. The options are option A cost of direct labor, option B cost of indirect labor, option C direct expenses, or option D indirect expenses. Correct answer for question number 12 is option D indirect expenses. The indirect expenses is also known as overhead cost or on cost. Question number 13. Fixed cost is a dash cost. Fixed cost is a cost dash. So options are option A, which change in total in proportion to change in output. Option B, which is partly fixed and partly variable in relation to output. Option C, which do not change in total duration, during a given period despite change in output. Option D is which remains same for each unit of output. So the correct answer for question number 13 is option C, which do not change in total during a given period despite change in output. The fixed cost is a cost which do not change in total during a given period despite change in output. Question number 14. Abnormal cost is the cost. Options are option A, option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer is option B. No, abnormal cost is the cost that is cost not normally incurred at a given level of output. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 15. Total cost of a product is rupees 10,000. Profit 25% on selling price. So the profit is dash. You need to calculate profit. Option is 2,500. Option B 3,000. Option C 3,333. And option D 2,000. So the correct answer is option C, 3,333 rupees. Question number 16. ABC analysis is an inventory control technique in which options are inventory levels are maintained. Inventory is classified into ABC category with A being the highest quantity and lower value. Option C is inventory is classified into ABC category and with A being the lower value and highest value. Lower quantity and highest value. Option D neither B or C. So the correct answer is option C. So ABC analysis is the inventory control technique in which inventory is classified into ABC category with A being the lower quantity and highest value. Next, contract costing is a type of dash costing in which a contract constitutes a unit of cost. Options are process, B. Batch, C. Job, and D. Variable. Options are, correct answer is option C. Job. So contract costing is a type of job costing in which a contract constitutes a unit of cost. Next question. Question number 18. Over absorption of overhead in cost account results in dash. Options are as follows. Option A, decrease in costing profit. Option B, increase in costing profit. Option C, decrease in financial accounts profit. Or option D, no effect on profit of both the account. So the option correct answer is decrease in cost profit. Over absorption of overhead in cost account results in decrease in costing profit. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Overhead are also known as dash cost. Options are option A, direct, option B, ongoing, option C, prime, or option D, shrunk. So the correct answer is option B, ongoing cost. So overhead are also known as ongoing cost. Question number 20. Works overhead on incomplete job at the end of the period are transferred to which account? So the options are option A, option B, option C, or option D. The correct answer is option C, work in progress ledger control account. So work overhead on incomplete job at the end of the period are transferred to work in progress ledger control account. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. According to ICMA London, dash costing is that form of specific order costing which implies where work is undertaken to customer special requirement. Options are job, option B, batch, option C, process, or option D, standard. So dash costing is the form of specific order costing which implies where work is undertaken to customer special requirement. The correct answer is option A, job. Option A is the correct answer. Job costing is that form of specific order costing which implies where work is undertaken to customer special requirement. Next question. In job costing system, costs are accumulated as options are as follows. The correct answer is by job specification, option A. In job costing system, costs are accumulated by specific job. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true about contract costing? Options are option A, number of contracts undertaken at a time is limited. Option B, work is done at the side of customer. Option C, requires long period of completion. Or option D, indirect costs are higher as compared to job costing. So which of the following is not true about contract costing? Let us see the answer. So the correct answer is option D. Indirect costs are higher as compared to job costing. Next question, second last question. Contract price is the cost of work done plus a percentage in case of dash. Options are given as follows. Option A, cost plus contract. Option B, target costing. Option C, fixed price contract. Or option D, fluctuating contract. The correct answer is option A, cost plus contract. Last question. Select the correct treatment of depreciation on plant and machinery in contract account. Options are as follows. Is it option A, B, C or D? Let us check the answer. So the correct answer is option D. The correct treatment of depreciation on plant and machinery in contract account is debited with amount of depreciation. Option D is the correct answer. So these are important 25 MCQs on the topic cost and works accounting. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood all the MCQs, and these MCQs will be helpful for the students who are preparing for the university examination. Thank you once again. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.